Silver, a timeless investment. Today we're unboxing 4 different 10 ounces silver bars from around the world. Join us as we explore the craftsmanship and the stories behind these precious metals. First up, we have this striking piece from Sam Precious Metals. Cast in .999 fine silver, this bar showcases a perfect blend of modern metallurgy and timeless value. Look at that shine. This bar's craftsmanship speaks of Sam Precious Metals' commitment to quality and precision. Next, we have the Mint ID Buffalo Silver Bar, and it's more than just silver. Each of these bars comes with NFC scan authentication, a true testament to Mint ID's advanced security features. Technology meets tradition with this Buffalo Silver Bar. Here's a piece of excellence from Asahi Refining. This bar is sealed for its protection, showcasing Asahi's commitment to delivering the best quality .999 fine silver. The Asahi Silver Bar, a silver investment you can trust. Lastly, we have the Heraeus Silver Bar. Heraeus is known for their superior quality and fine craftsmanship, and this bar is no exception. With .9999 fine silver, the Heraeus Silver Bar is a perfect combination of luxury and value. There you have it, 4 unique 10 ounces silver bars, each with its own story and value. Remember, the best prices for precious metals can always be found at bullionexchanges.com. Invest wisely. Choose Bullion Exchanges.